Hi everyone, I am Pratima and welcome back to video Anybody can square a number. This concept is very common, useful and interesting for all of us. From the beginning of the civilization, the people have played with numbers, with their squares, with their cubes and invented many short tricks for it. Here also we'll learn some tricks to find the square of numbers. And when you want to apply the smart method, first you should be smart. Now to be smart, you should have some knowledge. So we should know the basic numbers, small numbers, what are their squares. This is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. So these basic things one must know before finding the square of big numbers. So this is the list of square numbers. Square numbers are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 61, so on. So square of the numbers is given in this chart from 0 to 29. Now if you'll observe this table, you will find that if the last digit of a number is 0, then square ends in 0. In fact, last digit must be two zeros. If the last digit number is 1 or 9, its square ends in 1. If the last digit of a number is 2 or 8, the square ends in 4. If the last digit number is 3 or 7, its square ends in 9. If the last digit of a number is 4 or 6, its square ends in 6. If the last digit number is 5 and its square ends in 5, rather it is 25. If the last digit of number is 2, 3, 7, 8, or then it is not a square number. The number ends with 1 0 is also not a square number. But when it is 2 zeros, it is a square number. So we learn the method. First and smart method 1. For two-digit number, for any two-digit number. Let us take the number 27. What is the square of 27? 27 multiplies 27 is equal to 729. But we will apply some other trick, or without multiplication we will find the answer. So let us learn. Now take the unit place digit 7 and find its square. We already have learnt it. So 7 square is 49. This is step 1. We'll square of 2. 2 square is, so put 4 left to the 49. Next step, multiply and 7 and another 2. So 2 2s are 4, 7s are 28. So 28 should be placed below in such a way that just one place left to the 449. Add it. So what will the answer? Answer will be 9 729. So this is the square of 27. So square of 27 is 529. So this is the step. Once you learnt, you can apply it fast or quickly. Let us take another number. Square of 29. So take 9 square. 81. What is left? 2. 2 square is 4. 81. It is 481. Now multiply 2 with 2 and 9. So 9 to 2 into 2 into 9, that will be 36. Below 481, leaving one place from right. Add. So what is the result? Result is 841. So square of 29 is 841. Let us take another number. Now you can find yourself faster than me. Now I am going from left. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So I'll write 16 right to 9. Next I'll multiply 3 and 4 and 2. 24. I'll place below it, leaving one place from right side. Add it. So what the result is? 1156. The square of 34 is 1156. For practice another number, square of 37. So 3 square is 9. 7 square is 49. 49 will be written right to 9. 2 into 3 into 7 is 42. Add them. So it will be 1369. So square of 37 is 1369. So hardly you will take 2 to 3 seconds to do this. Not 2 seconds, maybe 20-25. Square of 48. Be quick. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 4 is 16. So it will be 1664. Multiply 4 into 8 into 2. Place 1 place left to the number. Add it. The number will be 2304. So this is the square of 48. Now you can find the square of any two-digit number by this method. Now first and smart method 2. When the number is close to 50, we can opt another method, another first trick. So let us see. First I am taking the numbers. It will be from 40 to 50. When number is close to 50, we'll take from 40 to 50, less than 50. The same number I am taking here, 48. Now subtract the number from 50, or we can think how much it is less than 50. Surely it is 2. So make it square. 2 square is 4, but write 04. Write in two-digit number. Then 5 square is 25 because we have taken the number close to 50. So 5 square is 25. 25 minus 2, 23 will be written on the left side of the result. So 2304 is the square of 48. Now Let us take another example, 43. Less, 7 less, make 49. So what should I subtract from 25? I'll subtract 7. So 25 minus 7 is 18. So 2, 49. So answer is 1849. Let us take another number. Square of 49 will be faster now. So how much less? 1 less. So I'll put 1 square. And I'll take 25 minus 1, 24. To that will be 24 1 square, 2401. First and smart method 2, when the number is close to 50 and it is more than 50 or between 50 to 60. So example is, first I'm taking 51. So here we'll see how much it is more than 50. So it is 1 more. Same method will apply. 1 ka square 0 1, it will be written on the right side. Then here we have taken the number close to 50, so I'll take 5 square is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So 26 will be written left to 0 1. So the answer is 2601. Do you find it is very easy and interesting? Next number is 56. Now you can try yourself. You can be faster than me also. How much more? It is 6 more. So 6 square, 36. So what should I subtract? 25 minus, sorry, it is not minus 6. It is more. So 25 plus 6 is equal to 31. So the answer is 3136. 58. Find yourself and tell me the answer. You can pause the video, you can find and you can see how much time you are taking for this. It's just a square, just a seconds. So it is 8 more than 50. 8 square is 64 and 25 plus 8 is 33. It will be 33 8 square. 3364. The square of 58 is 3364. Next is fast and smart method 3, when number is close to 100. I am taking less than 100 or I am taking 90 to 100. First number 92. How much less? 8 less. So make the square 64. Now here we'll multiply 8 with 2 and we'll subtract from 100. 10 square is 100. So there we are subtracting from 25. Here we'll multiply 2 and subtract from 100. So 8 2s are 16 and it will be subtracted from 100. So the result is 84. So what will the answer then? Answer will be 8464. The square of 92 is 8464. So this is such a big number, but within a second we could do the square because you are smart. Next is 98. How much less? 2 less. So 2 square, 4. Then it will be 2 multiplies 2. and we'll subtract 4 from 100. It is 96. The answer will be 9604. The square of 98 is 9604. Now 99. Do it fast. How much less? 1 less. 0, 1. Multiply 2. Result is 2. Subtract from 100. Subtract 2 from 100. 98. The answer is 9801. Next is when number is more than 100. So now you can think of what should be done in the process. Let us take 103. How much more? 3 more. Make it square and multiply 2. 6. Subtract from add from in 106 is 10609. 104. How much more? 4. Square of 4 is 16. Multiply 2. 2 4s are 8. 100 plus 8. 108. Now write the result. So it will be 10816. Next is trick 4. When the number ends in 5. Suppose example we are taking 15. The square of 15 is how much? 225. Let us apply some trick. Write 25 on the right side of the square of 5 because square of 5 is 25. So always you will get a 25 on the right side when a number ends in 5. What remains? Remains is 1. Now multiply 1 with next number. Next number of 1 is 2. So it will be 2. So write 2 left to 25. So what will the answer? Answer is 225. So let us take another number 45 square. So write 25 on the right side. What remains? 4. Next, what is the next number? 5. Successive number of 4. Then multiply 2 4 20. So just write 20 to 25. So 2025 is the square of 45. Now let us take a big number 115. So it will end in 25. 5 square. So remain is 11. Multiply with 12. Next number is 12. 11 multiplies 12 is 132. So what will the answer? Answer will be 13225. So a big number, even if it ends in 5, within a second you can find the answer. So you can practice now for more numbers. All short tricks are based on some mathematical formula which you will read in some of the classes. So without any formula or without any concept, a trick cannot be made. So we should appreciate mathematics for giving so much opportunity to be first in calculation. Techniques and short tricks are available in many videos and websites. So you have to learn and retain the steps in your mind so that you can be perfect, because practice makes a man perfect. All the best for your coming days. Please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Be expert and show your skills to others.